Hello friends, in this session of linear equation in two variable, we will see exercise 3.6 question 1 solution. So question 1, first one is given 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equals to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equals to 30 plus 6. So these equations are not given directly into the linear equation into variable. So we need to reduce it in linear equation into variable. So 1 by 2x we can write 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y equals to 2. And here we can write 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y equals to 30 plus 6. So we can take 1 by x and 1 by y as a variable. And so we take 1 by x equals to a and 1 by y equals to b. And we have the equation a by 2 plus b by 3 equals to 2 and a by 3 plus b by 2 equals to 30 plus 6. So both the equation has the LCM 6. So to reduce into the integral we multiply by 6 and here 3a plus 2b equals to 12 and here 2a plus 3b equals to 30. Now equation 1 multiplied by 3 and here multiplied by 2 and then we take and subtract them to eliminate it. Then multiply by 3 here we do, here multiply by 2 we do. Then 3 is a 9a plus 6b equals to 36 and here 2 is a 4a plus 6b equals to 26. So for subtraction we change the sign, 6 cancel, 5a equals to 10. So a equals to 1 by 10 by 5, that is 2. So a equals to 2 submitting 3a plus 2b equals to 12. Then 3 to the 6 plus 2b equals to 12. So 2b equals to 6, so b equals to 3. Now a value is 2, so 1 by x is equals to 2, so x is equals to 1 by 2. And b value is 3, so 1 by y equals to 3, so y equals to 1 by 3. Now second question we have 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equals to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equals to minus 1. So again we can take 2 into 1 by root x plus 3 into 1 by root y equals to 2. And here 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 into 1 by root y equals to minus 1. So here we can take 1 by root x equals to a and 1 by root y equals to b. That is 2a plus 3b equals to 2 and 4a minus 9b equals to minus 1. Then here 9 and 3, so equation here multiply by 3 and then adding them. Equation 1 multiply by 3 and then adding them. We are getting 6a plus 9b equals to 6 and 4a minus 9b equals to minus 1. So 10a equals to 5 we get. So a equals to 5 by 10 which is 1 by 2. Now a equals to 1 by 2 we submit in a submitting 2a plus 3b equals to 2 and 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3b equals to 2, so 2 to cancel, so 1 plus 3b equals to 2. So 3b equals to 1, so b equals to 1 by 2. Now a equals to 1 by 2, b equals to 1 by 2, so 1 by root x equals to 1 by 2, 1 by root y equals to 1 by 3. So root x equals to 2, root y equals to 3. So remove the root, then square it takes, so x equals to 4, y equals to 9. we have 4 by x plus 3y equals to 40 and 3 by x minus 4y equals to 23. So here 1 by x equals to a we take, then we can write 4a plus 3y equals to 40 and 3a minus 4y equals to 23. So here again this equation multiplied by 4 and this equation multiplied by 3 we take and then adding them. And 4 4 is 16a plus 12y equals to 56. 9a minus 12y equals to 61 and we add them, then 16 and 9 25a and 12y cancel, 695 carry 1 156 6 7 6 12. So a equals to 125 by 25. So a equals to 5. Submitting 4a plus 3y equals to 40. So 20 4 by plus 3y equals to 40. And so 3y equals to minus 6, so y equals to minus 2. Now y equals to minus 2 and a equals to, so 1 by x equals to 5. So x equals to 1 by 5. Now first question we have that 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equals to 2 and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equals to 1. So now here 1 by x minus we write as a and 1 by y minus 2 we write as b. That is 5a plus b equals to 2 and 6a minus 3b equals to 1. So equation 1 multiplied by 3 because here b and here 3b, so 3b we want to make, and then adding with 2. So we get 15 plus 3b equals to 6, 6a minus 3b equals to 1. So 3b cancelled, 21a equals to 7. So a equals to 7 by 21, which is 1 by 3. So a equals to 1 by 3. Submitting 6a minus 3b equals to 1. So 6 into 1 by 3 minus 3b equals to 1. And so 3 2s are, so 3b equals to 2 minus 1 1, so b also 1 by 3. And so a we have taken 1 by x minus 1, so 1 by x minus 1 equals to 1 by 3. 1 by y minus 2 equals to 1 by 3. So x minus 1 equals to 3, y minus 2 equals to 2. So x is equals to 4, y is equals to 5. Fifth question we have 7x minus 2y by xy equals to 5. So and here 8x plus 7y by xy all is equals to 50. So we write the separate denominator, then 7x by xy minus 2y by xy equals to 5. And here 8x by xy plus 7y by xy equals to 15. So here x cancels, so 7 by y minus 2 by x equals to 5. And here 8 by y minus 7 by x is equals to 15. So plus. And so we take 1 by y equals to a and 1 by x equals to b. Then we have 7a minus 2b equals to 5. 8a minus plus 7b equals to 15. So to eliminate equation 1 multiplied by 7 and here multiplied by 2. And then we so to eliminate here multiply by 7 equation 1 and equation 2 multiply by 2. Then 7 7s are 49a minus 14b equals to 35. And here 16a plus 14b equals to 30. Now we add them, so 49 and 16, 65a. 40 we cancel equals to 65. So a equals to 65 divided 65, that is 1. So a equals to 1, submitting 7a minus 2b equals to 5. Then here 7 minus 2b equals to 5. So 2b equals to 2. So b equals to 1. So we have 1 by x equals to 1, as a equals to 1 and 1 by y equals to 1. So x equals to 1, y equals to 1. Now the sixth question we have 6x plus 3y equals to 6xy. And 2x plus 4y equals to 5xy. So both the equation we divide by xy, then 6x by xy plus 3y by xy equals to 6xy by xy. So here it is 6 by y plus 3 by x equals to 6. And second equation we divide by xy and 2x by xy plus 4y by xy equals to 5xy by xy. Then here it will be 2 by y plus 4 by x equals to 5. And so 1 by y equals to a and 1 by x equals to b. Then 6a plus 3b equals to 6 and 2a plus 4b equals to 5. So equation 1 multiplied by, here we can write 2a plus 4b equals to 5. And so equation 1 multiplied by 4 and here multiplied by 3. And then subtracting them. So it is 24a plus 12b equals to 24 and here 6a plus 12b equals to 15. So we subtract them and 24 minus 16, that is 18a, and here 24 minus 15, that is 9. And so a equals to 9 by 18, that is a equals to 1 by 2. So a equals to 1 by 2, submitting 2a plus 4b equals to 5. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 4b equals to 5. So 2 to cancel, so 4b equals to 4. And so b equals to 1. And so a equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by y equals to 1 by 2. So y equals to 2. And here 1 by x equals to 1. And so x is equals to 1. Seventh question we have 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equals to 4 and 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equals to minus 2. So we take 1 by x plus y equals to a and 1 by x minus y equals to b. So 10a plus 2b equals to 4 and 15a minus 5b equals to minus 2. So here to eliminate this equation, equation 1 multiplied by 5 and equation 2 multiplied by 2, and then adding them. Then we get 50a plus 10b equals to 20, and here 30a minus 10b equals to minus 4. So here 10b cancel, 50 minus 50 plus 30, 80a equals to 16. So a equals to 16 by 80, which is 1 by 5. So a equals to 1 by 5. Submitting 10a plus 2b equals to 4. And so it is 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2b equals to 4. So 5 2s are, so 2 plus 2b equals to 4. So 2b equals to 2, so b equals to 1. Now a equals to 1 by 5 and b equals to 1. So 1 by x plus y equals to 1 by 5 and 1 by x minus y equals to 1. So x plus y equals to 5, x minus y equals to 1. So again to bring the x and y, we eliminate them. Then x plus y equals to 5, x minus y equals to 1. And y cancel, 2x equals to 6. So x equals to 3. X equals to 3 submitting x plus y equals to 5. So 3 plus y equals to 5 and y equals to 2. And so we have x equals to 3, y equals to 2. Eighth question we have 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equals to 3 by 4. And 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus 1 equals to minus 1 by 8. So 1 by 3x plus y equals to a we write, and 1 by 3x minus y equals to b we write. And here a plus b equals to 3 by 4. So 4 we take LCM, then 4a plus 4b equals to 3. And second equation, a by 2 minus b by 2 equals to minus 1 by 8. So again here we take the LCM 8, then 4a minus 4b equals to minus 1. So here both the equation has the coefficient equals, so directly by adding them we get 4a plus 4b equals to 3, 4a minus 4b equals to minus 1. So we add them, and a equals to 2, so a equals to 1 by 4. A equals to 1 by 4 submitting 4a plus 4b equals to 3. And so 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4b equals to 3. So 4 cancel, so 4b equals to 2, and so b equals to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. And so a equals to 1 by 4, b equals to 1 by 2, so 1 by 3x plus y equals to 1 by 4, 1 by 3x minus y equals to 1 by 2. So 3x plus y equals to 4, 3x minus y equals to 2. Again we eliminate both the equations, and 3x plus y equals to 4, 3x minus y equals to 2. For that we add, so 6x equals to 6, so x equals to 1. X equals to 1 submitting 3x plus y equals to 4. So 3 plus y equals to 4, so y equals to 1. And so we have answer x equals to 1, y equals to 1.